Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my luggage is way too boring. So what I get here, I have a nice luggage suitcase cover thingy, and we're gonna try this out and see what it looks like. Hopefully it is the right size for this luggage, otherwise I have another piece of luggage that's smaller. So let's see what this looks like. This is the XL size, and check this out. It's like a t-shirt for my luggage. So front, please pay attention to the front and back. Well, I don't know which the front and back. It's like a diaper. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna guess. Oh, it's gonna be that way, I think, because, well, I'm gonna put it on over all this stuff, but I think the idea would be that it's gonna be so you can pull the handle up through it there, like that. Oops, hard to do it on the thing here. Let's see. So I got this. Is this the front? Do I have it right for the front and back? Okay. I'm gonna have to flip it on its side to zip it up like a diaper. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. So here, it's got a zipper on the bottom here. So I will zip it up. There, so there, now, check this out. Now my luggage has the city on it. Well, a bunch of cities. It's got all the different cityscapes going there and there. What's this zipper for here? I don't know. But I think, now that I'm looking at it, I think I have it backwards. Let me see. Does it say which is the front and the back? I don't know. The reason I'm wondering is because I have that arm that pulls out, and I think I'll go the other way. Let me see. I'll try it here. Let's see. I'm going to show you guys. We'll try it around the other way direction and see what happens. So if I flip it, I'm doing this on the tiniest little table. Let's see. Yeah. This is going to be better. Okay, so it'll be this way. And then zip it back up again. My little table's totally gonna fall over. Okay, so there, now I have it on there better. So here, this is, oh, I can go like this. So there, and then now it's got all my tags can stick out of it, my handle can stick out, and my arm, this thing can go up. So there, so we are totally set now. So check that out. How cool is this? This is great for my luggage. And it kind of protects it too, because now, for somebody to open it, they would have to take off the shirt, the whole clothes on it. But really cool. I like this. Totally going to protect it too. So totally nice, and thumbs up from me.